So MBA joining season is finally here, and most of you have asked me just one question. What are the things that we should carry to our B school, our IIM, or whatever school we are joining to? And today I have brought you that video. So I'm going to tell you from my past 1 year's experience what are the things that you should take to your B school and what are the things you should avoid. The most important thing and most essential thing that is there that you have to carry to a B school. You need some formal suits. So formal suit basically means a plain suit without any pattern or design. The button should be plain, simple, formal kind. It should not have any pins or anything attached over there. And it should be either of navy blue or black color. So these are colors which are usually allowed in these schools, and it should be plain. It should be very formal. And in addition to that, you should have obviously not just a blazer. It should be complete suit, like a two-piece suit, pant and your jacket. So that's how the suit should be. This is a must-have thing. In addition to this, you need same or similarly color matching tie. Again, tie should be plain. It should not have any pattern. It should not be very funky, glossy kind of tie. It should be a proper formal tie. That is also a must-have. In addition to that, obviously, you need plain cream colored shirts, either white, cream blue, sky blue, or cream pink, cream yellow, or whatever cream colored, light colored formal shirts, and black formal shoes. No other colored, black formal shoes, black formal belt if you need a belt. Socks is also, you have to have the same color. What is your suit's color? These are must have things which you should have for guest lectures, networking events, some placement activities. If you don't have it, guys, go right now, purchase it. This is first thing which you should have, and first thing you should be packing in your suitcase to your B school. Now, coming to things which are absolutely not allowed in hostels. So electric kettle not allowed, irons not allowed, inductions not allowed, oven, sandwich makers. Why people have asked me, even sandwich maker and what hair dryer, hair straightener, कोई भी electric heavy appliance जो होता है, heavy electric appliance not allowed. Coming to the list. First things that I'm going to tell you, what are the clothes that you need. You first need few formal wears. So the cream colored t-shirts I have already told. Then along with that, you should have 3 to 4 trousers, similarly colored, black, blue. On those you can have, patterns. Those are not usually for, very formal events like placement activities or guest lectures. It is for your regular class presentations and whatever formal activities that might be happening apart from these extremely formal activities. So, in our college, there are few tiers of outfits. Business formals, where the placements thing that I told you, or whatever, those suits, cream shirt, black shoes, business formals. Then comes formal, where you have to wear nice, simple, non-funky sneaker or a formal shoe of any color and a formal shirt along with a trouser. Sometimes, if the jeans is a bit formal, that will also work, but that comes on the formal tier. And then there are smart casuals, and then there are casual. These are the 4 tiers that are there. Then coming to casual wears. Now, in casual wears, you should have few polo t-shirts or plain neat t-shirts, no design. This kind of t-shirt I won't recommend. Plain t-shirts are okay. Usually polo t-shirts are recommended. Then jeans, chinos are fine. Then apart from that, for non-class activities, whatever shorts you need, track night wear, whatever else you need, obviously you can carry. That's up to you. So in sportswear, I would recommend you carrying whatever swimming essentials if your college has a swimming pool. Then obviously some sport t-shirts, some sport shoes. Then I would recommend you carrying few traditional wears because there are so many events and activities, and few party wears as well, because there are so many events and activities where you need traditional and party wears. In addition to that, you have to make sure that there are enough shoes which you can shuffle through these different kind of occasions and events. So yeah, those are the clothings and outfit related things that you need to carry. Then coming to hostel essentials. Now in hostel, you should carry 3 to 4 bed sheets, 2 pillow covers, a pillow, a thin blanket, a thick blanket, one for summers, one for winters, obviously. And then the optional things are you can have additional cushions. I have a laundry basket, you can take that as well. So yeah, these are the essential things which you need in your hostel. And now coming to gadgets and electronics, the things that you should have are firstly laptop, must have. Then obviously laptop, keyboard, whatever accessories that are there, mouse, pen drive, charger, those things you have to carry. Pen drive, I would recommend keep one pen drive with you. It will come handy here and there. Keep one pen drive with you. Then apart from there are daily use things like you can have your earphones, smartphone is a must have obviously, headphones, power bank if you need it, or tablet if you need it. And one more thing which is an essential is an extension board. Usually we have so many electric devices and the ports that are there in your room might not be enough or they might be somewhere far. So extension board is usually helpful. So keep an extension board with you and you can have a multiplug adapter also that might also help, but extension board is a better. And there are a few more, optional things like Bluetooth speaker. You can have a small table fan. I have a small 1,200 rupee table fan that you can consider, and monitor also I have that also you can consider. These are the things which you can consider in gadgets and devices which you can take. Now, coming to utilities and personal care, obviously you have to carry a toothbrush or take a new toothbrush, toothpaste, soap or body wash, shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, comb, trimmer or razor, and nail cutter, towels, napkins. These are must have. Please also make sure you carry some perfumes and deodorant. Coming to laundry and cleaning. Firstly, carry a laundry bag or laundry basket. It is easier to store those to be washed clothes. You have to have a detergent or whatever washing machine liquid, uh, some clips for the clothes, hangers, and apart from that, take a Vim gel and a sponge or utensil brush. You don't need usually a broom, mop, hammer, screwdriver, these kind of things. You have, house help over there. So in our college in IIM Nagpur, we have BBJ executives on each floor whom you can tell they will come and clean the room. You can write an request for, let's say, your tube light is gone or your fan is making noise or whatever your, let's say, curtain has gotten loose. You can write a request on the same day or within 1 to 2 days. Again, the contracted BBG employees will come, they will fix it. So you don't need any of those things. Coming to utensils and food storage things, there are a few things which I recommend. Ideally, carry two water bottles or two mugs and some spoons, some forks, bowls, plates, and some fruit containers. मतलब डब्बा बड़े डब्बे छोटे डब्बे वो भी लेके जाना. And obviously some snacks or dry fruits or protein bars, whatever things you need, you will carry that. So food items you will need, and also make sure that you carry these three things. These are very essential. At least two of those should be there. Scissors must have, and a knife or a cutter. You should have these three or at least two of these things. You'll be surprised how often you need them, and they are very, very useful. And they are a must have, obviously. Make sure that you carry with them. Now, apart from this, coming to documents part, again, this is an absolute must have. You need your admissions related documents initially, then you need all your academic mark sheets, original. You need your degree certificate, Aadhaar card, all of these documents you should have original copies of. PAN card, work experience related document like your work experience certificate or salary slips, then your internships, whatever you have done, or life projects you have done, or whatever certifications you have completed, courses you have completed, case competitions you have won, uh, those whatever certificates or documents that you have to have originals of them, either as a hard copy or a soft copy. And in addition to that, carry 10 passport size photos. Those are also needed many times. And make sure that all of this you have a scan copy of them as well. One additional thing that you have to carry, that is resume. Make sure that you create your well, structured, quantified, ATS friendly resume. Using, you can use Claude or ChatGPT for that, and create that resume. Have 3 to 4 copies of that resume with you. Obviously, you will have an updated, officially approved resume by college once those resumes prepared. But in the meanwhile, have these resumes handy. Now coming to accessories. Now in accessories, you can carry few watches, sunglasses, spectacles, handkerchiefs, some ties, and obviously there are optional things like chains, bracelets, or pocket squares, or whatever girls if you need any makeup products or any accessories, earrings, necklaces, or personal care items, whatever you may need, those you can carry. It's up to you. It's up to each individual what are the things that you want to carry. One more essential part, please don't ignore this. This is a must have. Medicines and first aid kit. Hopefully, you don't need any of this, but you must have this. Prepare a medicine box. Basically, in it, keep few goalies of paracetamol, 2 to 3 packets of ORS, few band-aids, pain relief spray, anti-allergy medicines if you have any allergies, cold or cough medicines, antiseptic liquid, antiseptic cream, and then there are optional things which you can keep, such as wet wipes, face wipes, pimple patches, Hajmola or any other digestion related medicines, vitamin C, or if you have many ulcers in your mouth, or you have body heat issues, then B complex tablet. So make sure that these kind of things you keep with you. Now coming to stationery. Now stationery, you don't need much stationery, like your degree college, like your UG or your 11th, 12th, or let's say schooling, you don't need that level of stationery. What you need is a pen, pencils if you need it, highlighters, maybe a 300 pages single notebook or 100 pages, 5, 6 notebooks. Those should be enough for one term. Whiteboard markers are something which you need. Some sellotapes you will need, pen holders you will need, and those push pins, because in our college we have the push pin holding, whatever thing that is there, along with the whiteboard attached to everyone's table in their room. So those things will be helpful. Like basically notice board pins that are there. You need to have them. Apart from that, you can consider having, two-way tapes or sticker hooks. These are the things you may need. All the optional things that are there, like you can take your playing cards, chess, let's say Catan or sequence, whatever board game you want to take, Uno, or whatever else you want to take, that's up to you. You can take a laptop table, Bluetooth speaker, your photos, small plant or room decorations, whatever things you may need, these things you can carry. You obviously don't need few things like dustbins. They are provided usually in the college. You don't need them. Study table is provided, chair, mirror, whiteboard, curtain, and night lamp. They are provided in the college. So in our college, at least they are provided. So you don't need them in IIM Nagpur. At least in most colleges also, that's the same thing, that you don't need these. I guess that pretty much covers the list of things that you have to carry to IIM Nagpur. If I missed anything and it is absolutely essential, comment it down. If it is very important, then I will add it in my comment, and I will also pin your comment so that it will be helpful to others. But yeah, overall, pretty much this covers everything that you have to take to your college. Now, there are only few days left for some of you to join your colleges, and for some of you, it's almost a month or so. But you have to start your preparation to go to your college. So, I have attached an Excel of this list. You download it if you need it, and do let me know if this video was helpful. And if you found it helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. This is for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.